Projects can be defined in various ways depending on the context and organizational needs. According to Joseph Juran, a project is a problem scheduled for solution, emphasizing the problem-solving nature of projects. Project Management Institute defines a project as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. The International Facility Management Association states, projects are specific units of work designed to achieve an objective or produce an outcome. These can range from abstract tasks like forecasting future facility needs to tangible actions such as renovations, new construction, or demolitions. Organizations often establish their own definitions and criteria for what constitutes a project. For instance, forecasting future facility needs might be classified as a finite programming project, a part of a broader project, or a regular, non-project facility management activity. Attributes of projects. Projects can be characterized by their shared attributes that distinguish them from regular activities. 1. Finite nature. Projects have a clear beginning and end, setting them apart from ongoing activities. 2. Complexity. They involve numerous tasks that must be completed in a specific sequence. 3. Uniqueness. Each project represents a one-time set of events with its own challenges and requirements. 4. Goal-oriented. Projects are designed to achieve specific objectives and deliver measurable outcomes. 5. Limited scope. They operate within defined boundaries of time, resources, and budget. 6. Team-oriented. They often require collaboration across functional areas within temporary teams formed for the project duration. 7. Deliverables. The ultimate purpose of a project is to produce one or more deliverables, such as a product or service. These characteristics ensure that projects are structured efforts with clearly defined purposes and outcomes. Criteria for project classification. Facility management organizations typically use policies, procedures, and practices to determine what qualifies as a project. Although overlaps and flexibility exist, the following criteria often guide this classification. Design and planning. Significant design and planning requirements elevate an activity to project status. Monetary value. Tasks exceeding a predefined financial threshold may be classified as projects. Examples of project activities: common project work, relocations, design and construction, fit-outs, and high-cost or complex repair and renovation activities. Additionally, annual discretionary activities often fall under the project category. Non-project work. Routine facility management operations such as cleaning, security services, and preventive maintenance schedules. Leasing and administrative activities also typically do not qualify as projects.